Giddy up YouTube, how's it going? Cheesy1234 here, and many of you are wondering probably when the new Windows will come out. I'm currently running Windows 7, that's come out in 2009, then Vista was 06, XP 2003. Now, as you can see, they like to go every 3 years make a new operating system. So by 2013, that's only a year away from now, or sorry, yeah, 2013, we should have a new operating system because obviously it's 2012 now. Where's the new Windows 8? Well, turns out it's actually released. You just have to download the beta version of it. The beta version is a free version of the software that Windows is still working on. So there are some bugs in it, not virus bugs that will crash your computer or something. Just little things you need to work at, like maybe you go on the internet and you try to download a file and it fails to download. Simple things like that. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to show you what Windows 8 actually is. I'm actually dual booting Windows 7 and Windows 8 by partitioning off a hard drive and making another file. I will not show you how to do that. There are other videos on YouTube how to do it. It's kind of hard to do it a second time. I tried to make it and it doesn't really work. My computer I'm running is an Acer Aspire Intel Core i3 first generation with 4GB DDR3 RAM and 32GB hard drive. Okay, let's go Windows 8 Consumer Preview. And here's the symbol you get. It's a fish. Don't know why? Please don't ask. I guess that's going to be the new thing. This operating system is actually supposed to run on tablets, touch PCs, and mouse and keyboard computers like mine. Because by 2015, Microsoft has expected that PCs like this will no longer be sold. It'll be fancy touchscreens and tablets that everyone uses. But if you still buy a computer like this, or you still have one you want to upgrade, they will still let you run it like this. As you can see, dirt bike rider, I like that. Here's the lock screen. I got my time, the date, my Wi-Fi and battery status, and it's pretty cool. It's like a tablet. Imagine your mouse is a finger. You just take it like this and slide it up, and you get your, as you did with Windows 7, you get your power and your assisted help, and you can sign in right here. You can actually make a picture lock screen where you touch different parts of the picture to unlock it, or you can do a PIN number or just a regular password. Now you have to hit enter, just type it in, and it loads. Pretty cool, huh? Nice and smooth. There's actually like no lag whatsoever in this. It's way faster than Windows 7, Vista, and XP. Definitely faster than XP. As you can see, it almost looks like a new Nokia phone, but it's not. This is what it's going to run off of. I can check my email right here, show you what it looks like when you open an app. As you can see, he's going to say app preview because it's not published yet. But pretty cool thing. I can check my email right here, my Hotmail. I have 2 different emails here. As you can see, there's no X button though, so how do you get out? Well, or no minimize, maximize. You can actually use that snap feature like this. You can browse different ones. I can go like this, put one there, and open a new one over here, and adjust how far I want it. Or I can go like that. It's kind of got like an Ubuntu Linux style sidebar, a little thing down there. You can have like bring you to your start menu, which is basically like hitting what used to be down here in the corner on Windows 7. And then you can also go right here where the start button would be and click that. Now what's cool about this one is on Windows 8, like a tablet, when you close out a process like I just did now, it's still running. As you can see right here, it's still on my computer running. I can just go like that. It doesn't actually close unless I go to my start screen, right click, hit close. And also, a new thing is for processes like Google Chrome that's not yet built for Windows 8. This looks like Windows 7, but it's not. It's actually a desktop inside of a desktop, so to speak. As you can see, there's no start button. You just highlight there and it opens start in the background. I tried to get iTunes on here, but it doesn't work because iTunes isn't compatible with Windows 8, so it doesn't work that well. Very few things are. QuickTime is. Not that that really matters, it's just a video player, music player, but yeah, it's kind of like a little Windows 7 inside of it. I'm guessing this is, I don't know if they're going to wean this out or not. They probably will, just because once all processes work on Windows 8, they really wouldn't need to have this anymore. But that's how you'd work with Google Chrome and stuff. The web browser, Internet Explorer, has a few bugs in it right now, like you can't make a bookmark. The new bar is down here at the bottom, which is a little different. There's refresh, pin to start menu, settings. You hit settings and you have find on page and view on the desktop, which is basically like hitting this. Not many settings. They're still working on that, as you can tell. And a forward arrow and a back arrow. So that's that. As you can see, I can transfer right through there. I can also go like this with the snap feature, or there's the Ubuntu style. Recognize that? Anyone using Linux? I can go like this. Check this out. I can go like that. Make it bigger, make it smaller. So I can compare back and forth between one browser to the next. Pretty cool. And there's also some games on here. Like it comes with a pinball game. Oh, what was this at? Why would you do such a thing? Quit being mean to me. Still trying to figure out. There it goes. Alright. See, it says press enter or tap to continue, obviously, because if you did that, you can sign up with Xbox Live. Microsoft trying to get you to play Xbox. Back to app. Will you quit? No, I don't want to. Just Windows trying to get stuff out of me. And it's just a simple, weird computer game that comes preloaded on it. As you can see, a replacement to the old space-style pinball we used to have on XP. Alright, exit out of this. As you can see, there's already a glitch right here. There we go. There's a store. It's like basically like an app store, and there's almost nothing on it, just like 4 apps. First thing, say you want to view pictures. Well, the new pictures thing is a little different. Normally you'd open like Windows Explorer, which you still can. There's a link for it right here, which opens it like this. Normally you just go to pictures and view pictures there. I don't have any right now. I can still actually check out my other ones from the rest of my computer. See, users, Brandon, that's my name. I can go pictures, here are my pictures this way. Or you can do it the new way if I had photos on here, which I don't think I'd, wait, maybe I do. Oh yeah, I do. See, I can go like this, photos, everything, Flickr photos, Facebook, SkyDrive, pictures, library. Let's see. They just updated this. Oh, that's kind of annoying. They keep updating. I don't have any pictures in there. They just update it. I rooted them. Okay. So that's like the new thing. It's just kind of like slide across, basically like this, only with, imagine, a whole bunch of photos inside. And that's basically what it is. My calendar, just simple stuff. You have all your stuff here. It's basically the Ubuntu one, as I said before. The maps. Load maps, load. As you can see, it's starting to get a little bit slower because I have multiple apps open, but barely any. It's still faster than if I had all these open on my Windows 7, so that's very nice. I can zoom into different places. I live in Pennsylvania, PS, by the way, by Pittsburgh. Yes, I'm a Penguins fan, Steelers fan, Pirates fan, if that's even worth being a fan for. LOL. And that's what I got. My local weather. And let's see, that's how many apps I have open right now. Imagine like having Google Earth, having a weather app, tons of different stuff open all at the same time, and it's still running as smooth as physically possible. As you can see, it's all like beautiful without even a glitch in the system. It's pretty impressive. I had to give it to Windows. Once Mac comes out with a new thing, I'm curious what they're gonna do about that. I'm still curious what Mac's gonna do when they find out what's going on here. Obviously, they probably already know if I know about this. Here's a little music thing if it'll load. I have my music over here. No, I do not care. Cancel. Gives you a music store, gives you my music. Yeah, I'm a Linkin Park fan, and I'm also a India fan. Kind of a clash right there, really. Keep it out here. And that's my Windows 7. Or Windows 8. Settings. Power. Restart. I do like the new little spiral. It's kind of cool little beads moving around in a circle there. And that's it right there. I also have oh, hold on, what did I do? Okay. Yeah, I can load Windows 7 again. Show you that it still works. So yeah, that's my dual booted Windows 7 and Windows 8. I can also boot Windows Linux Ubuntu, but I'm having some troubles partitioning for that, so I've been using off my flash drive. I'm going to show you that actually real quick.